Getting into PC gaming doesn't always mean spending a lot of money. There are some great options out there that offer solid performance without the high price tag. I have listed the best 5 budget gaming PCs that give you good power, smooth gameplay, and reliable builds, all while staying affordable. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a second setup, these picks are worth checking out. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Acer Nitro 50. For those looking for a reliable, balanced performer in a budget-friendly package, this is a fantastic option. With a 20-core Intel Core i7-14700F CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, this PC is built to run demanding games and multitask without lag. You get 16GB DDR5 memory and a fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, giving you smooth system performance and ample storage. The case features a bold, gamer-oriented design with red accents and strong ventilation. It's loaded with connectivity, including USB-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Gigabit Ethernet. It also supports DTS X Ultra Audio, making it ideal for immersive gameplay with spatial sound. A keyboard and mouse are included, making it ready to go out of the box. If you're seeking a gaming PC that offers high-end specs with minimal compromises, this is a dependable choice that consistently delivers. Number 4. HighCodex Z2. This one earns the spot for best storage and cooling combo, making it perfect for gamers who want plenty of room for games and videos. It comes with a spacious 2TB SSD and a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8700F CPU, ensuring both speed and storage capacity. What makes it stand out is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, a card that offers impressive graphics capabilities for the price point. Whether you're into esports or AAA titles, it handles them all with ease. The build also includes ARGB fans, 3 in the front and 1 in the rear, for effective airflow and temperature control. A sleek design and customizable RGB lighting further elevate the gaming experience. With the MSI Center software, users can tweak performance and lighting to suit their preferences. If you need a future-ready gaming PC with serious storage and cooling, this is a strong contender. Number 3. Skytech Gaming Nebula. If you want solid performance across all your favorite games without going over budget, this is the best value for money choice. Powered by an Intel Core i5-13400F and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 6GB. This system is designed to handle popular titles like Warzone, Fortnite, Valorant, and more at ultra settings in 1080p. The PC includes 16GB DDR4 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and 4 RGB fans for excellent airflow and a visually appealing build. The case design features a front mesh panel that keeps temperatures low during long gaming sessions. It has also included a free gaming keyboard and mouse, and there's no bloatware, so you get a clean Windows 11 home installation right out of the box. With lifetime free technical support and a 1-year warranty, it's a safe bet for beginners and budget-conscious gamers who want reliable performance and upgradability. Number 2. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme. This is a fantastic choice if you're after pure graphics power at an affordable price. It features the Intel Core i5-13400F CPU paired with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. This duo handles modern games at high settings effortlessly, especially at 1080p and even 1440p. Under the hood, you get 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which means quick load times and responsive multitasking. The system also boasts a tempered glass side panel, custom RGB lighting, and a stylish case that will look great in any gaming setup. Connectivity is generous with 9 USB ports, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, and 7.1 channel audio, making it a versatile hub for all your peripherals. It also comes with a gaming keyboard and mouse, adding extra value. With solid internals and striking aesthetics, this is a great pick for gamers wanting strong GPU performance without breaking the bank. Number 1. HP Victus 15L. This stands out as the best overall budget gaming PC thanks to its balanced combination of powerful specs, generous memory, and reliable performance. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G processor and AMD Radeon RX 6400 graphics card, making it ideal for 1080p gaming and multitasking alike. What makes this PC truly shine is its massive 64GB DDR4 RAM and 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast boot times, effortless multitasking, and plenty of room for all your games and media. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or juggling multiple tasks, this system won't break a sweat. Connectivity is another strong suit, with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and multiple high-speed USB ports, including 10 gigabits per second options for fast file transfers. The design is also sleek and sustainable, featuring a mica silver chassis made with eco-friendly materials. For gamers who want a future-proof setup with great visuals and reliable day-to-day performance, this one delivers outstanding value. Getting top-tier gaming performance doesn't have to drain your wallet, and these top 5 budget gaming PCs prove just that. Whether you're diving into competitive titles or exploring massive open worlds, these machines offer the perfect balance of power, speed, and value. To find the latest deals on all the PCs featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the most up-to-date prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gamers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.